this your name?
No, ma'am. No, sir. Sorry.
You're fine.
Sorry. That's just a piece of paper.
How many people do you think?
A dozen, maybe more.
A dozen?
Yeah, a lot of people.
On April 25th, 2024, officers in Bloomington, Illinois responded to a bank fraud call. The suspect dismissed a protective order as, quote, just a piece of paper. Under Illinois law, that view is legally incorrect.
Yeah, we're gonna talk. Hey, you wanna talk or you wanna go?
Either one. So what's kind of going on today?
Nothing. Can I
Say
go
what?
over and sit?
Yeah, I can go over here and sit. Yeah, take your hand out of your pocket for me.
I want to change.
Take your hand out. Just take your hands out. That's all.
Okay.
So.
I have my keys.
Okay. What happened
I'm
inside
pregnant.
here? You want to get off the phone for a
Yeah.
second?
Let me call you back.
Yeah, I'm Officer White. I got a body
Sherry.
camera on. What's your name?
I got told to come up here.
Okay.
Bye.
Take your hands out of your pocket again.
Sorry.
What happened? What's going on today? What was going on in the bank?
Honestly, he made me an ID, and I guess it's his ex-girlfriend or whatever.
Can I see it?
Yeah. Look at that. Right there. That's what he gave me.
So, why were you trying to use this? Is this your name?
No, ma'am. No, sir. Sorry.
You're fine.
Sorry.
What were you trying to do with this exactly?
I guess the money that's in her account is his. I should have never done it, man. I was afraid I was gonna get my ass whooped again.
Say what?
I was afraid I was gonna get my ass whooped again.
So he forced you to do it?
Yeah.
And you didn't want to call us?
I mean, and be labeled like a snitch and possibly, get hurt worse. I got pistol whipped and beat up. Like,
I don't think you'd be a snitch for calling us if you're getting hit.
yeah, and like the whole situation that happened down in Danville, and they had a different dude in jail that didn't even do it, and all along was him.
Where's your actual ID at?
I think it's in the car.
Okay.
I don't know.
Where are you from?
Danville.
Danville. When you were in there, how much money were you trying to get this person?
I haven't done nothing yet. I haven't
This is
done
what
nothing.
she tried to use to get money out from
Yeah,
this
I haven't.
person's account. It's not good.
I haven't
It's
done
not.
anything.
No.
But you were trying to cash somebody else's
Yeah,
check.
well, I don't know if you guys know him. I guess that he used to date her, and his money is in her account right now, and that's why he had to do it. And just on April 5th, he literally pistol at me, and I still have black eyes from it. I'm scared.
She didn't want to call us.
I don't What
Who's
am I
Who's
gonna
in the
do?
car with you?
That's my best friend.
Your best friend? I'll talk. Is that cool if I talk
Do
to
you
you?
have your ID on you?
How many times have you done this? Different banks?
No, I haven't. This is the first day. I have not done any of it. That's why I'm so
So, let me get this straight. He told you to come here today and gave you that ID to
Yeah.
pull money from that person's account.
Yeah, I guess it's his ex-girlfriend that took his money. I don't know.
How much money did he tell you to come pull out?
He said to go in there and cash the check, deposit some, and take out what she stole from him.
How much were you going to deposit?
I think 600. I think that's what I told him.
How much did you bring with you to deposit?
It was a Affleck check or whatever that he gave me.
Okay.
Yeah, so
That's okay.
I don't.
Okay.
I don't
You don't know?
I
I thought you guys
don't,
you were in
I
a
don't,
dating relationship.
I don't
You know his
him
birthday?
I don't know him like that. I just literally met him maybe 3-4 months ago. It's been nothing but hell.
You guys been staying together?
No, I left. I left because of this.
Go ahead. So, you said that happened April 5th?
April 5th, yeah. I went to the hospital 2 or 3 days after, and I had a fractured cheekbone right here. I still have it. And then hemorrhaging in my sinus cavity. And I got the scar, of course, on my forehead. I'm done with Bloomington.
So, you've done this prior, correct?
Uh-huh.
You've been in trouble for this prior? Bad checks?
Like years ago.
Years
like,
ago?
I haven't been to prison or anything like that since 2018, so it's been years, and that's why I'm like nervous, because
But it's for trying to do bad checks?
Not like within somebody else's name.
Did you call the police or anyone when you got hit last time? And where'd that happen at?
Huh?
Where'd that happen at?
In Danville.
In Danville?
Yeah.
Were the police called?
Yes, and the officer was gross.
Gross. So there's been a report on that domestic. Okay. Why do you keep on going back to him after that? And why'd you come all the way up to Bloomington?
This is where he told me to go.
So he told you in Danville to come up to this Busey Bank
well, I met him
to use that name.
I met him in Champaign because I was already going to Champaign myself.
It's just not all come together very well for me. So.
And he called me, and that was like last night, and trying to be all lovey-dovey and everything.
You met him in Champaign or Danville?
I met him in Champaign today.
Today?
Pick up that stuff.
Okay. And
he told me to come here.
Okay. Then when come here, he told you to give him that check and take money out of the account, and then what were you supposed to do after that?
Take the money to him.
Take the money to him? Were you forced to do it, or you just think it's a good, like, I just don't get the logical
I just don't want to get my ass
process.
whooped again, okay? That's all I'm worried about. Because it f***ed me up mentally. Really bad.
Did you ever think about getting an order of protection against them?
That's just a piece of paper.
A piece of paper, but every time he comes near you, he gets arrested.
Yeah, and being like in Danville, Champaign, that's if they find him.
A violation of an order of protection under 750 ILCS 60 is a Class A misdemeanor. Repeat violations escalate to a Class 4 felony, carrying up to 3 years in state prison. An emergency order also authorizes immediate warrantless arrest upon any contact from the respondent. That legal shield is not paper. It is arrest power the petitioner can activate with a single phone call. The central legal question in this encounter is the compulsion defense under 720 ILCS 5, 711. Illinois recognizes duress as an affirmative defense, but the statute imposes 3 strict requirements. First, the threat must be imminent death or great bodily harm, not future harm, not financial harm. Second, the defendant must reasonably believe that the threat will, in fact, be carried out. Third, and most decisively, the defendant must have had no reasonable opportunity to escape. The suspect's own timeline defeats the third element almost entirely. She drove from Danville to Champaign, then to Bloomington, and entered a prior bank before this one. Each mile and each closed bank door was a lawful opportunity to disengage or call police. Illinois courts have consistently rejected duress claims where the defendant had time and distance to seek help. The prior domestic violence report may support the reasonableness of her fear, but it does not, standing alone, satisfy the imminence element the statute demands.
So it's all, okay, I got your pretty much whole story down regarding that. And were you in Champaign or were you in Danville? In Danville, and she told you to come with?
Danville.
Does she know anything about this, or?
No.
No. How many times have you, other than this one, in the past, how many times have you tried to cash bad checks?
I have not here lately at all. That's why I'm so nervous, because I know that I have a record from years ago with doing it in my name, but I have not been doing it. Like, I quit it. I mean, every time that I would do it, I would end up in jail.
How many times have you done it?
Prior.
Guys down. Yeah, you're fine. How many times in Bloomington have you at least attempted?
Never.
Did you not attempt earlier in the day? Because we got called you attempted earlier in the day and they couldn't find you.
The Busey or whatever over there. That's the Busey that he told me to go to.
He told you to, or you did?
No. When I left Champaign, he told me to go to the Busey right there on whatever the street that is I just left.
Okay.
And he said if that doesn't work, then you go to the next one. If that doesn't work, you go to the next one. Until you get my money.
Did you call him after it didn't work, or anything? No?
Listen to him.
So, you met him in, what, 3 months ago, 4 months ago?
Well, actually, I met him Can I get in my pocket my phone?
Okay. I'm just getting back to you. It doesn't have to be the exact time that you've met him. You've met him. You've been talking with him. You guys had domestics prior, and he told you that he made these IDs for you, cash checks regarding his girlfriend to come up here, take money out. You came up here, went to that bank, didn't work. We got called, couldn't find you. Then you came here with that ID, tried to give the Affleck check, the $600 to exchange to take money out, and then you were going to leave with the money and take it back to him.
Take it back. Give it back.
Is that pretty accurate?
This is him.
Is that pretty accurate, though?
That's him.
Can you click on his profile?
I mean, I haven't been doing it. I mean, I have an actual job at Sigma. Like, I'm pregnant. I have my kid. Like, I'm doing good.
Where's your kid at?
With my dad right now, or my stepdad.
Okay.
Yeah, my stepdad and my mom.
But, you know...
And they're because I'm taking forever.
You know doing this is risking all of that you have going on. You know what I mean? The risk reward is terrible. Some money for him, and
It's not worth it.
it's not worth it at all. I just don't get why you try to do it. It's especially you don't even know this place at all either.
No, I mean, I barely know him. Like, I don't know him at all, pretty much.
Were you guys dating?
After like maybe a month and a half, 2 months, and then we just started around, like, you know, not dating, but like.
So you started in like April? Well, no, sorry, in January.
Like February, beginning of
February.
Yeah.
Then when do you start talking about doing this stuff?
I've been telling him, like, I don't want to get involved. I don't. And
Does he have a whole bunch of people he does this with, or how many people? Anything?
like a dozen, maybe more.
A dozen?
Yeah, there's a lot of people. I just want to go. I'm done. I'm just done. I'm supposed to be going into a rehab facility next week for 3 months. You know, I end up
Is there anything else I need to know that'd be important that you haven't already told me? No? Is there anything I should know, you think, that we haven't talked about?
Can I go in there and apologize to them?
I'm irritated.
I think they locked the door anyways.
So
I mean,
he's who you got all the documents from.
yeah, like, that's why I gave up those. I don't want nothing to do with it. Like, I've done my dirt before, like, back in 2018. I have not touched any of this since.
Okay.
I learned my lesson.
Yeah.
I have a job. I have my kid back.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I had a relapse.
Yeah, that's gonna happen. I do treatment courts. I deal with addicts all day, every day. Okay, so you're not gonna say anything that's gonna be any different than what I'm used to.
It
Okay.
makes me feel horrible because I am pregnant. I mean, I'm pregnant.
Yeah.
I have a baby in me. And that's why I chose, like, I'm not doing it no more. I'm going to rehab.
So the fake ID is one. The fake check is another. Identity theft for trying to cash it.
Oh, don't say forgery. Please don't say forgery. If I catch a forgery, they'll violate my probation. I get off in
Well,
like 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
I said I got to sort out some other things here. My advice.
As long as
this
you
is just
guys
my
are right
advice.
there, then make sure you don't hit me. I'm good.
This is just my advice. Get as far away as you possibly can. There's
So do you think I'm going to Terre Haute?
domestic violence shelters out there that you and your kids can go to.
We'll go with
There's
Dad.
ways out of it, okay? They can keep you safe, right? But that's steps you have to take, okay? I can't force you to. You could get out of jail right now and drive right back to his house and be right back with him. And there's nothing
No,
that I
I'm
can do
done.
to stop that,
I'm done.
okay? But
I just don't know what to do tonight. Like,
I got you.
On the charging side, possession of the fraudulent identification card violates 15 ILCS 335-14B. The forged check implicates 720 ILCS 517-3, a Class 3 felony. The attempted withdrawal triggers Illinois identity theft under 720 ILCS 516-30. At the dollar amounts described, that offense ranges from a Class 4 to a Class 3 felony. With 3 weeks left on felony probation, any new conviction triggers automatic revocation proceedings. There's also a Miranda concern. The interview extends past de facto custody without a clear on-camera advisement. Under Miranda versus Arizona and Berkemer versus McCarty, the later admissions face real suppression risk. Early statements likely survive as spontaneous. The extended admissions may not. On grading, the officer earns a B+ for methodical evidence collection and accurate protective order guidance. The suspect earns a C. Her cooperation preserves mitigation, but her legal choices left almost no defense intact. The department earns a B for visible domestic violence training and clean body camera compliance. The takeaway is direct. Illinois duress law protects victims trapped in an unavoidable moment. It does not shield offenders who act on delayed instructions from an abusive partner. An order of protection is not symbolic. It carries immediate arrest authority the moment it is served. And once a suspect speaks without counsel, cooperation may soften sentencing, but it rarely defeats the charge itself. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.